Have you ever felt like your legs and lower back are carrying more than just your body? Like they are holding your worries, your long days, even your sleepless nights? After 50, so many women notice heavy legs, a tight low back, and a kind of inner tiredness that stretching alone doesn't fix. Today, I'm going to show you one simple, overlooked exercise that restores your circulation, settles your nervous system, and gently resets your posture, all in a few quiet minutes. No gym, no strain, just a chair, a floor, and your breath. Most people ignore this because it looks too easy. But that's exactly where its power lives. Stay with me to the end, and you'll understand why this daily ritual might be the missing piece in your self-care, helping you feel lighter, calmer, and more deeply rested. Before we dive in, if you're passionate about feeling strong, calm, and independent after 50, make sure to subscribe to Daily Health Hacks, tap the like button, and share this video with someone you care about. It's a small action that helps more women discover these life-changing rituals. Now, let's begin. Benefit 1. Drains heavy legs and boosts circulation without standing. When you elevate your calves so your hips and knees are both at 90 degrees, we'll set this up in a moment. You use gravity to help blood and lymph move from the feet back toward the heart. No squeezing socks. No complicated moves. Just positioning. If you sit a lot or your ankles feel puffy at night, this gentle reversal helps clear traffic jams in the lower legs so your tissues can breathe again. Many women describe it as a quiet lightness returning to their legs. Benefit 2. Calms the pelvic floor and eases bladder urgency. Here's something we rarely talk about. When we're stressed, the pelvic floor can hold tension, which may show up as urgency or pressure. In the 90 to 90 position, the pelvis rests in neutral, the belly softens, and the breath naturally drops lower. That combination can help the pelvic floor let go, supporting better coordination and less holding. Over time, some women notice fewer nighttime bathroom trips simply because their system is calmer before bed. Benefit 3. Decompresses the lower back where chairs can't. Tight hip flexors and long hours of sitting tip the pelvis forward and compress the lower spine. With your thighs supported and shins resting, the 90 to 90 position unloads the lumbar joints and lets deep hip muscles release without pulling on the back. Many people feel a gentle unwinding across the sacrum and hips, as if the spine finally gets space to breathe. Benefit 4. Melts anxiety by flipping your stress switch. Slow breathing in this position stimulates the parasympathetic, rest and digest side of your nervous system. Think of it as telling your body, you're safe now. Shoulders soften, jaw unclenches, and the mind grows quieter. 5 minutes here can feel like you took a tiny vacation, no passport required. Benefit 5. Resets posture and opens a breath. When your pelvis is level and your ribcage isn't fighting gravity, your spine can stack naturally. The belly softens, the diaphragm moves freely, and your chest opens without strain. Over time, this ritual teaches your body what balanced posture feels like, so standing tall becomes effortless instead of forced. Benefit 6. Supports graceful aging through gentle consistency. This isn't a workout. It's nervous system hygiene, like brushing your teeth, but for your joints, circulation, and calm. A few minutes a day nourishes recovery, digestion, mood, and the kind of deep rest that makes everything else easier. How to do the 90 to 90 leg elevation, gentle and safe. Setup. Place a sturdy chair or sofa in front of you. Lie on your back with your calves resting on the seat, knees bent about 90 degrees, hips about 90 degrees. Scoot closer or farther until your low back feels neutral, not arched, not pressed flat. Arms and head, rest arms by your sides, palms up. Place a small pillow under your head if needed. Breathe. Inhale through the nose softly. Exhale slightly longer than your inhale, e.g., in for 4, out for 6. Feel your belly and ribs gently expand. Pelvic floor soften, jaw relax. Add gentle pumps, optional after 1 to 2 minutes. Do 20 slow ankle pumps, point and flex, to help lymph and venous return. Time: 3 to 8 minutes is great. If you're using it before bed, start with 5 minutes and notice your sleep. Finish: roll to your side, pause, then sit up slowly. Seated alternative: sit back in a firm chair, place another chair or large ottoman in front, and rest your calves up. Lean your back into support. Breathe slowly. Who should be cautious or avoid? Recent pelvic or abdominal or spine surgery, acute hip or back pain. Speak with your clinician first. Uncontrolled blood pressure, heart failure, or history of blood clots. Get medical guidance before leg elevation. If lying flat increases reflux or dizziness, use a seated version and keep your torso slightly elevated. This ritual is about healing, not pushing. When in doubt, choose ease and consult a professional who knows your history. In a world that asks you to do more, this practice asks you to allow more ease, more breath, more space. If you felt even a small wave of calm or lightness, don't ignore it. That's your body saying, yes. Start with 1 minute. Turn it into a daily ritual, not a chore. Aging isn't shrinking, it's deepening. With simple practices like this, you're not just maintaining your body, you're restoring your energy from the inside out. Tell me in the comments, will you try this tonight before bed? If you know a woman who deserves deeper rest and lighter legs, share this with her. Your body is listening. Let's begin again.